What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at a Nike Lab times Off-White hoodie. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. I hope you guys are liking the different content. Now, today we're going to be looking at a Nike Lab times Off-White hoodie. Now, this hoodie I got in a XXL, and I would say it fits me pretty well. The only thing that kind of sucks is this hoodie is built like short, and I'm 6'3", so it's a little short in my waist, but it still works out, and I think that it looks super good. This is something that I'm definitely excited to have in my collection. It is really sad, you know, RIP Virgil, and it sucks because a lot of these pieces are becoming at a price that it's really not even touchable, and a lot of people are just holding on to it, so you're not going to see it. So like I said, I'm really glad to get this piece in my collection. So going over to some quick details, like I said, I went with the XXL. Personally, I don't know if I would recommend going up a size unless you're a little taller. I fit between an XL and a XXL just because of my height. Now looking into the front of the hoodie, you're going to see that it has a straight Nike swoosh, which is really weird and kind of different. I definitely like it. It almost doesn't even look like a Nike piece. And then on the Nike swoosh, you're going to have a breathable hole that's going to have like a mesh material. And then on the right side, you're going to have two arrows going up and then a line underneath. And it looks like it's almost like a spray paint, but it's not. And then also on the front, you're going to have your standard hood strings, and then you're just going to have a big front pocket. As you move on to the back, you're going to see that it has a big Off-White logo. And then as you look a little bit down, you're going to see that there's a Nike and an Off-White tag, and it has like Nike ink. It looks super cool, and it's in a different color. It's like green, so it pops out. And then also on the Off-White logo on the back, you're going to see that it has a meshed hole as well, and that looks super cool. As you move on to the inside of the jacket, you're going to see that it has Nike Pro and then the Off-White logo again, and it's just like around your collar. I really like that it's not just a straight up plain black hoodie, that it also has like gray stitching all around it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed. I will be doing a try on at the end of this video. Just trying to bring you guys different content so you guys can see how stuff fits and, you know, sizing. Like I said, this does fit a little short. I would recommend going true to size unless you're a little taller. You may need to go up a size. There's not really much you can do because even at a XXL, it's still pretty short on me. And a XXL is the biggest I wear. But I'm still going to make it work, and it still looks super dope. And it's just kind of the fit that he was going for. And like I said, I will be dropping the product link in the description below so you guys are able to find it. Hope you guys really enjoyed, and make sure you guys check out my other videos. I have a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. I do a lot of Nike collabs, and then I do also Heat shoes unboxings and reviews. So make sure you guys check that out. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.
Darkness. One true light shines.